Students, this is class number 262. So look at this, students. Already we got this answer. In the last video, we found this answer. You can improve this answer. You can go for improving this. Improving means writing attractive answers, I think, right? Divide the odd by sin x. Even for this step itself, even for this answer itself, you will get full marks. But if you write improved, modified answers, so they are more attractive, right? Answers are more. Divide by sin x. So we get y is equal to x square. X square, sin x get cancels. Minus pi square by 4 sin x. Pi square by what? 4 sin x. This is the required answer. So you can write, you can go for, still you can go for one more step. What is 1 by sine? Cosec. Illa step aitu. So compared to this answer is better. So you may get marks, same marks for both, but practice writing impressive answers, right? Let us move on to one more question, students. Let us go for solving one more question. So right. So next question is, find the PS of. So find the particular solution of. So find the PS of. So dy by dx plus 2y tan x. 2y tan x is equal to sin x. Y equals 0. So when x equals pi by 3. Y equals 0 when x equals pi by 3. Solve that, students. It's so easy question. You go for solving that. So right. Not you solve this, students. So it is given directly, it is in standard form. So you pick P value and Q value. So right, solution. So tell me P. So dy by dx plus 2 tan x into y is equal to sin x. Now we brought that into standard form. That is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So tell me P. P is 2 tan x. So q is sin x. Now calculate IF, integrating factor. So IF is e power integration of p dx, e power integration of p. So 2 outside tan x dx. So that is e power 2 integration of tan is log secant. Log secant or minus log cos. How much is integration of tan? Log secant x. So log secant x. Pakka to power. If it is power, if the number is in power, we bring that into pakka. Log m power n. N log m can be written as log m power n. Pakka to power. This is power kalisi according to laws of logarithms. So IF is e power. So log secant square x. So we got that e power log b. What is e power log b? B. So it is secant square x. So we got that IF. Now write general solution. General solution is, so IF into y is equal to IF into q. IF into q. So into dx plus c substitute in that. You substitute and simplify that. So right there. So tell me IF students, secant square x into y is equal to IF is secant square x q. Q is sin x into dx plus c. Carefully manage this. It is so easy. So right, how easy I integrate that? Look at this students. Secant square x into y. You write secant theta means 1 by cos theta. Secant is 1 by cos. Secant square means 1 by cos square. So 1 by cos square x into sin x into dx plus c. Now it is so easy. Look at this students. What is sin by cos? Tan. Still we have one more cos. 1 by cos secant. I think I am getting secant into tan. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square na ನೋಡಿ cos square na 1 by cos x into cos x into sin x. Observe this. What is 1 by cos? Secant. Sin by cos tan. I think it is secant into tan. So easy, direct problem hai. So you write that as secant into tan. So secant square x into y 1 by cos secant. 1 by cos it is secant. Still we have one more cos. Sin by cos tan. So tan x into dx plus c. Secant square x. So into y. So tell me students, how much is integration of secant into tan? It should be secant. Because differentiation of secant is secant into tan. Secant x plus c. Secant x plus c. Now let us think of finding c value. PS required. Tell me x value, y value. X is 5 by 3. So y is 0. So y is 0. Substitute. You substitute in that. So right. Since y is 0, 0 and everything is 0. Y is 0, 0 and everything is 0. Secant pi by 3 plus c. Cos 60. How much is cos 60? Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 ಆದರೆ cos 60 root 3 by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ 1 by 2 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಮಗೆ secant 60 ಬೇಕು, cos 60 ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. cos 60 ಒಂದು sin 60 ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. how much is sin 60? root 3 by 2. sin 60 root 3 by 2 ಆದರೆ cos 60 root 3 by 2 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. cos 60 must be 1 by 2. If cos 60 is 1 by 2, how much will be that secant 60? 2 reciprocal. Cos 60 1 by 2, secant 60 2 reciprocal, right? So this implies 0 equals 2 plus c. So tell me c value minus 2. We got c. Substitute in that. So secant square x into y is equal to secant x minus 2. This is the required PS. We got the PS. So over R. So divide by secant square x. You go for dividing by secant square x. That is one more answer. So y equals secant x by secant square x. 1 by secant x. Secant by secant square. 1 of the secant get cancelled. Secant x minus 2 by secant square x. Over R. Y equals what is 1 by secant? Cos x minus 2 into 1 by secant square cos square x. 1 by secant theta cos theta. 1 by secant square theta cos square theta. I hope you understood. So this is final answer. This is final answer. So we cannot, it is not possible to write an answer which is more impressive than this, right? Right. Let us go for solving one more question, students. So find the PS of. So next question is find the PS of. Find the PS of the differential equation. So 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equals 1 by 1 plus x square. So y is 0, x is 1. So find the particular solution of this. So right. It's so easy, students. So first you bring that into standard form. Solution. So divide by what? 1 plus x square. Dividing by 1 plus x square means writing this 1 plus x square everywhere in the denominator. Divide ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. So right. So how much you will get? So divide by dx plus you divide this by 1 plus x square, that is 2x by 1 plus x square into y. Again you divide this by 1 plus x square. In the denominator already we have 1 plus x square. If I go for dividing by 1 plus x square means I should write this 1 plus x square also in denominator. 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole square. Divide ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 plus x square ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 plus x square whole square. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರೀ 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole square. Right there. So 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So you pick P value, Q value. So tell me P. P is 2x by 1 plus x square. Q is 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Calculate IF. So IF is e power integration of P dx. So e power integration of, tell me P. So 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Put a method. Put 1 plus x square equals t. So this implies differentiation of 1 is 0, x square is so 2x into dx is equal to dt. 2x into dx is equal to what? Dt. So right. Now, so right. IF is e power integration of. So here I am taking 1 plus x square as t. T. What is 2x into dx? Dt. Dt. It is directly dt. So e power, clearly it is like 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x. How much is integration of 1 by x? Log x. So e power, so log t. Again it is standard form, e power log b. What is e power log b? B. It is t. T means, what is t? 1 plus x square. So I got IF. Now it is the time to write GS. Now you write GS, general solution. So GS is, so IF into y. Integration of, so IF into Q into dx plus c. Substitute for IF. So what is IF? 1 plus x square into y. Integration of, tell me IF, 1 plus x square into Q. So how much is Q? 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into dx plus c. IF, what is IF? 1 plus x square into y. IF, substitute for IF. IF square into q. We have q here. Q. Substitute this q there. Dx. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancels. So it is so 1 plus x square into y. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancels. Remaining will be 1 by 1 plus x square into dx plus c. So now finally 1 plus x square into y. How much is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Formula tan inverse x. Get ಮಾಡಿ simple formulas. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. For we got gs. Now using this you find out ps, particular solution. So right, put x value, y value. So what is x? Tell me x value students. X is 1, y is 0. Substitute in that. X is 1, y is 0 now. 0 and anything is 0. So 0 equals, so tan inverse 1 plus c. So tell me how much is tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. 0 equals pi by 4 plus c. C is equal to what? Minus pi by 4. We got c value. Substitute in that. So it is 1 plus x square into y. So tan inverse x minus pi by 4. So can I go for dividing? So or so divided by 1 plus x square. So tell me final answer. Tell me answer which we are going to get. So y equals, divide this term by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancels. Next term. So tan inverse x by 1 plus x square minus pi by 4 into. Dividing means writing this term everywhere in the denominator. Divide ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 4 into how much is 1 plus x square. We got that. This is the required particular solution. Is it PS or GS? PS, because it does not have what? C. It is not having a C, right? Let us go for solving one more question, students. So find the PS of the differential equation. So next question is so find the PS of the, right, find PS of particular solution of so dy by dx minus 3y cot x is equal to sin 2x. So y equals to x equals to pi by 2. Same type question. So right, solve that question, students. Solve that. Find the particular solution. So right. So dy by dx plus py. Can I collect pq directly? So p is y coefficient. This is a y factor minus 3 cot x. Minus 3 cot x. Tell me q value sin 2x. So now using this PQ, find out IF. IF calculate ಮಾಡಿ. IF is e power integration of p dx. E power p minus 3 constant outside. Cot x into dx. Correct. E power minus 3 integration of cot is log sin x. Log sin. Get ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Integration of cot is log sin x. So it is so log sin x. Pakka to power. You send that pakka to power. So right. So IF is so e power, you send this paka to power. So log sin x power minus 3 na. Paka to power kalse. It is in the form e power log b. What is e power log b? B. E power log b. B. That is sin x. So whole power minus 3. Bring it down. 1 by sin x whole cube. 1 by sin x whole cube means sin cube x. So we got IF. IF is 1 by sin cube x. Now using this you write GS. So GS is IF into y is equal to integration of IF into q into dx plus c. Substitute in that. So right. So tell me IF students 1 by sin cube x into y. 1 by sin cube x into y is equal to what is IF? 1 by sin cube x into q. What is q? Sin 2x. Sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Into dx plus c. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ IF ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 by sin cube. What is IF? 1 by sin cube. Q means sin 2x. Sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. One sin ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. One of the sin get cancels. Write the two outside. So 1 by sin cube x into y equals 2 constant outside. Sin get cancels. 1 by sin square x into cos x into dx plus c. Again it is same story. Cos by sin cot, 1 by sin cosec. ಈ ತರ think ಮಾಡಿ. 1 by sin x into sin x into cos x. Sin square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? Sin into sin. What is 1 by sin? Cosec. 1 by sin cosec. Cos by sin cot. Cosec into cot ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ. So right. So y by sin cube x 2 into so 1 by sin cosec cos by sin cot cosec into cot. So tell me how much is integration of cosec into cot? Minus cosec. Integration of cosec into cot is minus cosec. So y by sin cube x so 2 integration of cosec into cot is minus cosecant x plus c. Right? You write cosec as right. We got to GS. Now y into 1 by sin cos. Let it be sin cube y by sin cube x because minus 2y can write sin x. Minus 2 by sin x. Cosec means 1 by sin plus c. So put x value, y value. X is 5 into y is 2. So 2 by sin cube pi by 2. 2 by ಇಲ್ಲಿ cosec ಅನ್ನು 1 by sin ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Sorry sir. Y is 2 sin cube. What is x? Pi by 2. So minus 2 by sin pi by 2 plus c. Correct? ಎಷ್ಟು sin 90? 1. Sin 91. 1 cube is 1. It is 2 by 1. Minus 2 by sin 91 plus c. So minus 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ. 2 plus 2 4. So tell me c value 4. Now you substitute that. So y by sin cube x equals minus 2 by sin x plus 4. We got GS. Sorry, PS. Is this GS or PS? PS. Correct? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. So now, so multiply by sin cube x. So sin cube get cancels. So multiply by sin cube x. So ಏನು sin cube ಹೋಗ್ತಾ? So y equals ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sin cube x by sin x. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಾಳೆ? sin get cancel. sin square. sin cube by sin square minus 2 sin square x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 4 sin cube x. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4 sin cube x. So right, so this is a final PS. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು right. So this is war. I hope you understood. Let us stop this class. So we shall continue in the next class. Almost we are getting to the end of this chapter, students. So okay, thank you.